Downtown is the most historical, multi-layered, and fascinating part of Los Angeles. Visitors to Los Angeles often miss out on the opportunity to explore downtown LA's neighborhoods, misguided by the myth that there are not enough things to do there compared to the west side of Los Angeles. Many people don't realize that downtown LA is in the midst of a cultural and architectural resurgence that's turning the area into a walkable, metro-friendly destination dotted with museums, beautiful buildings, and new businesses thriving on every corner. In this video, we're going to give you a little taste of what each downtown LA district has to offer.
The Arts District lies on the eastern side of downtown Los Angeles. Many of the old industrial warehouses in the district date back to the early 20th century and have recently been converted into creating working and living spaces. You find a lot of street art and art galleries in this neighborhood. The Southern California Institute of Architecture, or SCIARC, resides in this neighborhood and occupies the former Santa Fe Freight Depot built in 1907, which is placed on the National Register of Historic Places.
The center of downtown Los Angeles is Bunker Hill and consists of a mix of music and art centers, office spaces, and living spaces. The Latin Church Cathedral of the Roman Catholic Church, the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Angels, is located here, as well as the Walt Disney Concert Hall. The Museum of Contemporary Art, the Broad Museum, and the Colburn School, which is a performing arts school focusing on music and dance.
Located in the northern part of downtown Los Angeles and bordering Bunker Hill, Little Tokyo, Chinatown, and the historic core, the Civic Center has the largest concentration of government employees in the United States outside of Washington, D.C., as the neighborhood consists of city, state, and federal government offices, buildings, and courthouses. In the same neighborhood, one can also enjoy live music and theater at the Dorothy Chandler Pavilion, the Mark Taper Forum, and the Almanson Theater.
This district shares the center of downtown with Bunker Hill. This is home to corporate office skyscrapers, hotels, and related services, as well as banks, law firms, and real estate companies. Some of LA's famous landmarks are located there, such as the Los Angeles Public Library. You don't have to travel all the way to New York City in order to explore art galleries. Gallery Row is a row of galleries, and it is right here in downtown LA. Just take the walk from north-south along Main and Spring Streets and see it for yourself. Created to inspire a thriving, pedestrian-friendly, culturally abundant urban neighborhood, this district is recognized as one of the most significant success stories in Los Angeles history. The Downtown Art Walk takes place there, and it now attracts thousands of people every second Thursday of the month. The historic core provides a walk through LA's living history. This district is located between Hill Street, Los Angeles Street, 3rd Street, and Olympic Boulevard. There are two nationally registered historic districts: the Broadway Theater District with 12 theaters, and the Old Spring Street Financial District. Among the amazing historical buildings located in this district is the Bradbury Building, used as a location for the movie Blade Runner. Some sources claim that this is the largest jewelry district in the United States, with over 5,000 wholesale and retail jewelry shops. You can find precious gems, watches, platinum, gold, silver, diamonds, pearls, and all types of fine jewelry there.
Little Tokyo is the heart of the largest Japanese American population in North America, according to the New York Times. This unique and beautiful area evokes the art and traditions of Japan and was declared a National Historic Landmark District in 1995. The Geffen Contemporary of Mocha and Japanese American National Museum also lie in this district.
Have you ever wondered what the City of Angels looked like in the beginning? Then come and check out the city's preserved history located right across the beautiful Union Station. El Pueblo de Los Angeles Historical Monument is known as the birthplace of Los Angeles, as it is where Los Angeles was founded in 1781 as part of Mexico. There are 27 historic buildings in which 11 are open to the public as businesses or have been restored as museums. South Park attracts those people seeking extraordinary sports and entertainment events, also meeting facilities, conventions, and trade shows. It is the location of the Los Angeles Convention Center, the Staples Center, the LA Live Entertainment Complex, and the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising.
A destination for Chinese food and culture, and designed by Hollywood film set designers. Chinatown was a business center for Chinese and other Asian businesses in 1938. Today, one can find over 20 art galleries, specialty grocery stores, and a variety of Asian cuisine restaurants.
The downtown LA Fashion District is a design warehouse and distribution hub for clothing, accessories, and the fabric industry. It is a top destination of wholesale buyers, retail shoppers, designers, fashion students, and Hollywood stylists. It is also the home to the Los Angeles Flower District and the Downtown Open Air Bazaar, Santee Alley. Bounded by Los Angeles Street on the west, 3rd and 5th Streets on the north and south, and St. Peter Street on the east, the Toy District isn't just for toys. You can find anything from silk flowers to electronics, piñatas, and traditional toys such as dolls and action figures there.
Downtown LA is a worthwhile destination for tourists and locals alike. Whether you are looking for a cultural adventure, a night out bar hopping with friends, concerts or sporting event, you don't need to travel far for any of this. Downtown LA will not disappoint you.